Apparently, pocket-sized cameras are suddenly cool again, and Kodak wants in on the trend with its PixPro C1. Welcome to GadInsider, your place to get all the tech news. At first glance, the Kodak PixPro C1 is a stunner. It's sleek, compact, comes with a flip-up selfie screen, and a price tag under $100. Perfect for those tired of fiddly mirrorless cameras or pricey smartphones, right? But not so fast. The problem isn't style, it's what's inside. The C1 packs a tiny 13-megapixel 1 by 1.3-inch sensor that feels stuck in the last decade. In good light, it's fine, but crank up the ISO in low light or try using the digital zoom, and you're in for a pixelated nightmare. At 4x zoom, photos might survive on a phone screen, but forget tablets or prints, so you better stick to the native 26mm focal length and pray for sunshine. And if you like action shots, forget it. Single point autofocus is painfully slow, taking up to a second to lock, followed by shutter delays that make capturing moving subjects a game of luck. There's no image stabilization, and a slippery, slim body makes shaky shots inevitable. In short, the PixPro C1 looks like a winner on Instagram, but inside it's recycled tech from old phones. And for $99, it's a tough sell when your smartphone easily outperforms it and comes with all the apps you actually use. Kodak's cute little camera may tempt the nostalgia crowd, but for anyone serious about photography or just good photos, it's more frustration than fun. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this.